Is your Amazon Echo Show displaying a solid red light or a red line at the bottom of the screen? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Re-enable the microphone. A solid red light on your Amazon Echo Show typically indicates that the microphone is turned off, meaning Alexa is not listening for voice commands. When you get such an issue, re-enable the microphone. To do that, locate the microphone button. The microphone button is usually situated on the top of your Echo Show. So, find it and press the button to toggle the microphone back on. You should see the red light turn off, indicating that the microphone is now active and Alexa is listening for commands. Method 2. Check for persistent red light. If the red light persists even after pressing the microphone button, or if you are facing other issues, then check the connectivity. Ensure your Echo Show is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. You can check this in the settings menu by swiping down from the top of the screen and selecting Settings, then Network. Sometimes, network issues can cause problems with your Echo Show. Restarting your router can help resolve connectivity issues. So restart the router and see if this could fix the issue. Method 3. Restart your Echo Show. Unplug the power adapter from the Echo Show, wait a few seconds and then plug it back in. Allow the device to reboot completely. You can also restart the device from the settings menu by swiping down from the top of the screen, select Settings and then choosing Device Options, then Restart. Alternatively, you can ask Alexa to restart the device. Method 4. Check software updates. Update firmware. Ensure your Echo Show is running the latest firmware. You can check for updates by going to Settings, then select Device Options. Next, select Check for software updates or similar option. Method 5. Factory reset. If the issue persists, you might need to perform a factory reset. Note that this will erase all your settings and data. To factory reset the device, press and hold the mute and volume down buttons simultaneously for about 15 seconds until the Amazon logo appears. You can also swipe down from the top of the screen, go to Settings, then Device Options, then Reset to Factory Defaults. Method 6. Contact support. If none of the shown methods could resolve this issue, you can consult the Amazon support page or contact customer service for further assistance. And there you have it. The way to fix the issue when your Amazon Echo Show is displaying a solid red light. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about which method has solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.